So let's see today's delicious recipe of Malai cake. So to a pan, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. To the water, I'm going to add half a cup of sugar. We're going to stir this sugar into the water till it completely dissolves. So keep stirring the mixture till all of the sugar completely dissolves. Now once the sugar dissolves, we're going to add a few strands of saffron or kesar, say about 8 to 10 strands, because we want this lovely yellow color. This is completely optional. If you don't have kesar, you can also use yellow food color. Now we're going to let this cook for about 4 minutes. We don't want a very thick sugary syrup. We just want it to be a little bit sticky. So after 4 minutes, just stir it once or twice and just set it aside. And we'll use this a little later in the recipe. So this has to just boil for 4 minutes. That's all we require. We don't want a very sticky sugar syrup with 1 string or 2 strings. No, we just want it to be a little sticky. So we're going to set this aside. Now to a pan, I'm going to add 500 ml or half a liter or 2 cups of milk. To that, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to stir the mixture till all of the sugar dissolves. Now, in another bowl, I've taken half a cup of warm milk, to which I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cornflour, and I'm going to whisk this in really well. This is going to help us thicken our milk for the recipe. So whisk this in completely until all of the cornflour dissolves into the milk. It has to be warm milk. It doesn't have to be hot, but warm. Now we're going to stir the milk a bit. Ensure that all the sugar has dissolved. And once that happens, we're going to add this mixture that we just prepared with the warm milk and the cornflour to our milk, this has to be boiled milk. And of course, you want to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder for that lovely flavor. So like I said, milk has to be boiled first before you use it for the recipe. Now I'm going to use half a cup of fresh cream or malai. So either you use the store-bought fresh cream, or if you have, sometimes people do collect the cream that layers our milk. If you have it at home, you can use half a cup of that. And now we're going to stir the mixture well till it starts to thicken. It takes about 5 to 8 minutes for the mixture to thicken on a low to medium flame, continuously stirring. And now you can see that it has coated the back of my spatula. And if you want to see, you can either run your finger or a spoon on the spatula, and it makes a very clear cut line. That means our mixture is ready. You can turn off the heat. Now you can take any deep dish or tray like this, and we're going to line this with some toast. This is the regular toast that we have with a cup of tea. So we're just going to line this down to the bottom of this tray, and then I'm going to warm the sugar syrup. We don't want the sugar syrup to be cold, or we don't want it to be piping hot. It should be nice and warm, and just evenly spread it out. What this will do is the toast will absorb all of the sugar syrup, and it will become nice and soft and really delicious. Now we're going to pour the thickened milk that we prepared, the flavored milk with cardamom, over this evenly so that it coats all of the toast. This is our first layer. Then we're going to repeat the process. That is, once this is done, again we're going to place some toast in this manner. Again we're going to put the sugar syrup. Ensure that the sugar syrup is nice and warm. That helps the process, and the toast will absorb it quicker. And again, we're going to pour the thickened milk over it. This is not a very sweet dessert, it's just right. And now I'm just going to garnish it with some dry nuts. You can use any nuts of your choice. I've just used some chopped up almonds and cashew nuts. You can use pistas, raisins. And now we're going to refrigerate this for 7 to 8 hours. And after waiting patiently, our dessert is all ready. Our malai cake is all ready to dig in. So take a nice sharp knife and just cut a big slice like this. And then using a cake spatula like this, you're just going to lift the piece up gently and serve it. Be extremely gentle. It comes off very easily because it is set really well. And then just put it on your plate and enjoy. Now this is a cold dessert, so you have to refrigerate it at all times. Enjoy this, friends. I hope you do give this recipe a try. This is so delicious. It's so soft and yummy and really refreshing. So do give this recipe a try, and I'll catch you soon in my next recipe.
Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.